Konnichiwa, Konnichiwa everybody. Today I'm gonna have for lunch the loaded pot stickers by HEB. Well, it might not be from Japan, but it's probably the best one from here. This costs like $6.49. It was on sale since July 26th this year. Yep, they sell pot stickers, spicy mayo, spicy sauce, onion flakes, and green onion. Well, sorry I don't have any green tea, but I think this coffee does fine. Let's do a proper taste test of this fine dish meal. Well, it can be from the United States, Japan, Asia, or whenever they have sushi and pot stickers. Yep. If I could get this darn thing open. It already has the soy sauce already, so I'm gonna enjoy my. I'm going to enjoy my lunch while eating, and let's see what I think about it. Well, it does have instructions on the back of the chopsticks. Kind of like sushi, but pot stickers. It's probably together. I'll just break it apart. Let's see. Let's see, which one can I try here? Actually, some could eat this whole in one take in some parts of the world. I'll try this lovely pot sticker here. Not bad. Oh, chicken. You know, this honestly tastes good. Well, this honestly does taste good. Yeah, but I'll just try another one to end this video, and I'll enjoy my lunch. Oh, good. Napkins. To use chopsticks, to use chopsticks, you eat sushi or pot stickers like this. I think it's kind of like an insult if it was like this, but I prefer it like this though. And thank you for watching how to use chopsticks.